Hi, my name's Josh, and I'd like to tell you about a place that's special to me and what it has to do with this fanny pack I made. There's this mountain in Maine called Katahdin. It's this spectacular peak that rises 4,000 feet above everything around it. It has one of the largest alpine zones in the east, and is also the northern terminus of the Appalachian Trail. About 2 years ago, I decided I wanted to thru-hike the Appalachian Trail. I started down in Georgia and walked all the way to Maine through the Appalachian Mountains. The trail is a transformative experience, and Katahdin, as the endpoint, symbolizes so much to me. On this bag, I have a topographic map of Katahdin printed on it. Now, Katahdin might not be an important place to you, but I'm guessing you do have a place that is important. I've made a tool that'll let hikers select a topographic map of any region that's important to them to be printed on their bag. Not only is our bag meaningfully personalized, but our design makes it one of the most versatile ultralight fanny packs on the market. While most fanny packs work great for carrying small essentials, they typically aren't sufficient for longer hikes where you need to make sure you bring water and an extra layer of clothing. Our fanny pack carries up to 2 liters of water and a light jacket while leaving the main compartment open for all your snacks. This lets you hike further without carrying the day pack that gets your back all sweaty and just isn't very stylish. Our fanny pack also has thoughtful organization options, including an easy access phone pocket and internal mesh pockets, which can work great for carrying a first aid kit, satellite communicator, or a power bank. And when you take our bag backpacking, you can save weight and leave the waist strap at home. The bag can connect directly to your hip belt, which lets you wear a fanny pack without having a strap rubbing between your back and your backpack. Lastly, our bag is made out of EcoPack, a 100% recycled waterproof fabric made from plastic water bottles. Supporting this Kickstarter helps fund our first manufacturing run, allowing us to make hiking gear that commemorates places that matter.